Welcome back to the Tiger Center at Lewis and Clark. I'm Mr. Monty, and let's recap last week's learning. Unit 7B in data analysis. If we're given a scatter plot of some data, can we determine the correlation, weak, strong, positive, negative, and can we determine if there's an association and if there's a causation? So let's take a look at this scatter plot. First thing, let's just look at the data itself. What do you think? Can we summarize that there's what kind of a correlation we have here? What do you think? Four dots above, five above, four below. Weak negative? I agree with weak negative. So let's actually write that down. Weak negative. So we've determined our correlation. Now let's actually study what we're looking at here. On the x-axis, we have mishandled baggage. Airplanes tossing the bags. On the y-axis, we have the percent on-time arrivals. Percent of on-time arrivals. Weak negative. The fewer mishandled bags, the more on-time the flight. Sort of makes sense. If we have lots of mishandled baggage, the planes, actually 50% of the time, the planes are late. Now we need to determine, does that make sense? Is there causation? Does mishandling a bag cause a plane to be late? Now, remembering that there's no wrong answers, the most important thing is how we say it, how we come to the conclusion that yes, it makes sense, no, it doesn't make sense, or there is an association, but no causation. So let's think about this. If I mishandle a bag, it's going to cause the plane to be late. No. There is an association. It does make sense. The more mishandled bags, the more the plane's going to be late. But that's not what causes the plane to be late. Everybody's rushing, everybody's in a hurry, the baggage does get damaged. But the damaged bag doesn't cause the plane to be late. So what we say is, yes, we have association, but no causation. So that's what our learning was last week. This week we're actually going to learn about making the line of best fit using our calculator and technology. So let's recap. If we're given a scatter plot, we can determine positive or negative, weak or strong. Then, looking at the two variables, mishandled baggage, percent of on-time arrivals, we can determine that there is an association. It does make sense. The more the plane is late, the more baggage we'll have that's been mishandled. But mishandled baggage doesn't cause this to happen. See you next time.